Tech jobs feel risky right now because AI and layoffs are wiping out entire roles. But there are tech roles in demand and high paying. So here are the top 8 future-proof roles coming from someone hiring in tech. Number 1 is Generative AI Engineer. Now, this is not about building massive AI models from scratch. That's what the big labs do. This role is about building applications on top of large language models using frameworks like LangChain, LangGraph, or the AI SDK. Why is it future-proof? Because this is the bridge between raw AI power and real business value. Companies have AI, but they don't know how to actually use it. And that's where you come in. Here's the high pay signal. Top-end global salaries can hit over 160K, sometimes way more depending on the company. Now, where do you start? Learn Python, prompt engineering, and RAG pipelines. That's retrieval augmented generation. These are the core skills that'll get you in the door. Number 2 is cloud architect. This is someone who designs large-scale, secure, and cost-efficient cloud ecosystems across AWS, Azure, and GCP. Why is it future-proof? Every company is in the cloud now, but most of them are doing it wrong. They're wasting money, they have security holes, and they can't scale. Cloud architects fix that. This is a role that rewards experience and strategic thinking and not just coding skills. For the pay, experienced cloud architects can make upward of $220,000 a year globally. It's one of the highest paid roles in tech. For your next steps, start with a foundational cloud certification like the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner. It builds credibility pretty quickly. By the way, once you learn these skills, you need to add those keywords to your resume. The easiest way to do that is to use Teal. It helps you match job descriptions with your resumes automatically so you actually get past the initial screens and start to land interviews. You can get it for free with the link in the description or grab a special discount code for YouTube subscribers. Trust me, it's gonna make a huge difference. Number 3 is data engineer. Data engineers build the automated pipelines that collect, clean, and process data. They're the backbone of every modern AI system. So why is it future-proof? AI is completely useless without clean and structured data. And as AI investment explodes, the demand for data engineers is skyrocketing. The high pay signal, average salaries range from $120,000 to $160,000 a year, with senior roles going even higher than that. The skills to start with are Python, SQL, or SQL, with modern tools like Snowflake or dbt. Once you've gotten those down, you are golden. And after you add a skill like Python to your toolkit, make sure you add Python to the first line on your resume. That way, when recruiters are using the ATS to scan through keywords, it catches you immediately. I made a full video on how to write ATS-friendly resumes. The link is in the description, and you're not going to want to miss it. All right, number 4, switching away from the engineering topics, is content creation, specifically creative and copywriting roles. This is about originating ideas, pushing the boundaries with content, and creating copy that actually moves people. So why is it future-proof? In a world flooded with AI-generated content, the ability to stand out, emotionally connect, and find effective growth channels is everything. This talent directly drives the bottom line. So the high pay signal, AI content orchestrators are averaging $105,000 a year, with projections of up to $125,000 for 2026. Senior copywriters are averaging close to $100,000. So where do you start? You develop curiosity and learn how to learn. Incorporate AI tools into your workflow and immediately start creating impactful short form content. Practice is everything here, and you're gonna wanna show that you have the abilities. Number 5 is customer research and UX design. This is about designing products that directly address users' real struggles and motivations. So why is it future-proof? AI can synthesize information, but it cannot replace human judgment when it comes to creating delightful, boundary-pushing experiences or finding the next revolutionary product market fit. This is one of the highest paying design fields. UX researchers have a median pay of $120,000 a year, while senior UX designers can earn $180,000 or more. The skills to focus on: master deep customer research techniques and constantly engage with user feedback and develop empathy and strategic product intuitions. All right, number 6, cloud Cybersecurity Specialist. This isn't traditional network security anymore. This is about securing cloud infrastructure, including things like identity and access management, or IAM. Why is it future-proof? Cyber attacks are growing and the cloud adds massive complexity. Right now, there's a global shortage of 1.5 million cloud security experts. The high-paying signal is that salaries are high because of the risk and demand. Experienced roles pay from $90,000 to $120,000 a year and above. Your next steps? Focus on key certifications like Security Plus or cloud-specific badges. CISSP is the gold standard if you want to go all the way. Not having the right certifications might be one of the reasons your resume is getting rejected. So make sure to complete them and add them on your resume. I'm actually going to be making a video breaking down the biggest resume mistakes, so subscribe so you don't miss it. Number 7 is growth and performance marketing. This means identifying and optimizing effective channels for business growth, CRO, SEO, and performance marketing. So why is it future-proof? This role provides new ideas and insights for finding customers. It's non-repeatable work. It has direct measurable impact on ROI, and companies will always prioritize getting customers. The high pay signal? AI-enhanced marketing roles projected salaries up to $175,000 a year for senior levels. The skills to develop. Focus on leveraging AI tools to automate the grunt work like data entry, and concentrate your efforts on providing creative, data-backed strategic insights. That's where the value is going to be. And last, at number 8, this is the #1 talent gap role, MLOPS Engineer. This role blends machine learning with DevOps, or development operations, making sure AI models deploy smoothly and scale reliably. Why is it such a huge opportunity? This hybrid skill set is rare. There's up to a 60% shortage right now, and it commands top-tier compensation, often reaching up to $220,000 a year globally. Your next steps? This is actually a great transition role for existing DevOps engineers, or anyone who wants to master tools like Kubernetes or MLflow. So here's the big picture. AI and machine learning are king, but they're creating new gaps, not eliminating jobs. The jobs that will be replaced are the ones that only involve knowledge recall, data entry, or reusing templates. The only jobs that are truly future-proof are the ones where you get to originate, be strategic, and think with judgment and taste. What we're looking for is where human creativity meets AI leverage. So choosing a future-proof tech job in 2026 is about targeting the right roles and positioning yourself correctly for them. And that's exactly where Teal comes in. Teal makes execution easier, helping you tailor your resume, match keywords, and stay organized across all your applications. If you want to stop applying blindly and start applying strategically, try Teal for free. The link is in the description. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.